Hello everyone, today we have carbon bread. Keto carbon bread is wonderful bread, very healthy, very good for stomach, a lot of benefit, especially for digesting. If this first time to watch my channel, my name is Ahmed Younes. I'm pastry champion of Africa 2011. Please make subscribe to get all alert and please leave your comment. It make us grow up, and thank you. It's very simple recipe. 100 gram of almond powder, 3 gram of carbon powder, 5 gram hassak or psyllium powder, 2 eggs, 70 gram melted butter, pinch of salt, 3 gram xhantan gum, 5 gram baking powder, 40 milli of fresh cream. We mix everything together, all ingredients together. I will leave the whole in description box below. So we mix all dry items and then the liquid. The best way to keep it 10 minutes before you baking, to let the xhantan gum emulsify with the liquid and they prepare elasticity like gluten, so the bread will be elastic and you can feel it as normal bread. The last thing, we added the fresh cream. This bread is keto, is low calorie, is gluten free, is really fantastic aroma and flavor. As you see, after 5 minutes it will become strong because the xhantan gum activated with the liquid, so it's replace the gluten. Then we wash the spatula and make it wet with water or fresh cream, whatever you like, and then spread all to be the same high. Is very important. After that we shake it so to remove all bubbles from the dough, so we have equal racing. This mold 17 centimeter tall and 7.5 centimeter wide. So if you want to make the same quantity, you use exactly the recipe. If you want to make bigger mold, you can double the recipe. We bake 170 almost from 40 to 45 minutes. It's depend about from oven to oven, have a different. After 45 minutes we keep it cool down and we can slice it. As you see, it's like normal bread. It's very good taste, aroma, the carbon very healthy. The vegetable carbon is very healthy for stomach and for digestion. You can replace the almond powder with coconut flour or sesame flour, even peanut flour. Hope you enjoy my video. Please watch more in the channel.